Hello and welcome back to this Trainspotter from Berkshire trip report. In this video we'll be reviewing the Class 450s run by South Western Railway. Our train today will be formed by a pair of Class 450s. These are 100 mph third rail electric motor units with passive provision for overhead line equipment. The interior on the refurbished Class 450s feels somewhat bland. However, it's nice to have plug sockets for mobile devices. Nice to see a toilet considering the variety of work. This is more or less necessary. The end gangway is really helpful on these units, especially when the train is split and where there are short trackman structures at Longford where only the front 7 coaches doors can open. The seats are decently padded for the services they offer. The seats are far better than the Zero Cities iron and ball seats. Our first stop is Bracknell, which serves the town of the same name. Our second stop is Martin's Heron, which serves the eastern part of Bracknell. Our third stop is Ascot, which serves the town of the same name and the racecourse.
This service is standard class throughout.
Our fourth stop is Sunningdale, which serves the village of the same name. stop is Longcross, which serves the village and film studios of the same name. Finally, our last stop is Virginia Water, which serves the village of the same name. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the